Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just did a video on this, but I use the nudge factor quite a bit. I started thinking, you know what? We nudged everything 1 inch. Why don't we nudge this over? Whoop, I didn't make it duplicate. And now we have well, that's maybe too much. But then you could actually take and let's change our deal to like 2-inch nudge. And we could nudge it to the left. Got to select it. Nudge it to the left. Then, hey, well, let me move this away from that page so it won't. I don't know if the person needed them. This will space them out perfectly, but I don't know if they needed like a 1 inch apart or anything. So let's go to Effects and Blend. Let's blend like 5 times. See what it did? It blended them, not only spaced them apart evenly, it actually moved them over to the right side. Now, the only bad thing with the blend, you need to go to Object, break the blend apart, and I would always go Object and Ungroup because the center ones are a group. Then you could select them all and take your Artistic Media tool and just select one of your lines and, of course, bump it up. And there you have the exact same scenario, maybe easier. Of course, I did it backwards, but you can always flip it. And I don't have as much curve on this one as I did on the previous one. Anyway, just another way to do it. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.